understanding list in Python. So what is a list in Python? We have to understand, right? So the list, the first we have to understand list is like so in square brackets or present a square bracket, square bracket is a list in Python. Okay, got it? And now what is the list? Okay, we have to understand. So a list is a collection. Okay, I will use here is so you will get better understanding. A list. Okay, I will use the symbol of the list. Okay, is a square bracket. Is a collection of multiply multiply multiple values stored in a single variable. Okay. Right now, how can I present this? Like so we have a collection. Okay, we have a basket. Okay, you want to go in the shopping complex and you pick up a basket. Okay, like a basket. Am I right? Basket. And then basket, you want to buy some products. What are products here? Let's see. I want some like apple. Sorry, apple. Please tell me the names of the products. Okay, banana, banana, wait, banana, and banana and sorry, strawberry. Am I strawberry is correct? Strawberry. I don't. Strawberry. Strawberry and other products you can whatever you want. I have it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we have it. So what does it mean? This is a collection. Okay, this is the variable. Okay, this is one variable, and these are the collection. What is collection? Apple, banana, strawberry. Okay, in a list. All right. What a list name is a basket. What is a basket? So you have multiple like you can also buy like a milk, like a tea, sugar, biscuits. Okay, or like a buttermilk. Okay, or like you can say many things. Okay, nuts, whatever, right? Peanuts, whatever you want. So here is a multiple things. Okay, and this is the collection. Okay, of like a collection of multiple value stored in a single variable. So this is a single variable. So you know, like we have a one bag and we put many things into the bag, right? So we inserted many things, right? So why? Okay. So you understand this now. Okay, I teach you this. Okay. So think you have a list like a school. Okay, I give you another example. So think you have a list like a school attendance registered. Okay, where many students' names are stored together. Right? Am I right? So like your name is Asmaria, okay, Ali, Razan, Ahmad, whatever. So instead of creating one by one, student one, Ali student two, Shara student three, Jahan student four, Ahmad student five, Ashwarya. So we store everything in one variable. Am I right? Am I right? I give you like so like I want like we have a fruit or bacon, medicine wash, create one is equal to apple Okay, but am I right? Basket. Well, I think that one good example what I give you about teaching outside students, so I can give you that one. Like a strawberry. What is a strawberry? Sorry, strawberry. Right? Strawberry, right? So if you write like this, you can waste your time, right? And it is difficult instead of the creating this type, okay? We can create this. Am I right? Now I want to show you this. Okay, I want to show you this one. Let's see. Times I let's see. Am I right? Now how can we print it? So there's a two things to print. Okay, one. Okay, let's see. I want like on basket. Let's see. Wait. Check if it's a printing, not printing. Oh, sorry. I didn't close Apple. You are correct. Thank you to informing me. We get the error now. Yeah. Okay, we get the why you can say unders like a here. Okay, we have so detected at line 13 and terminate string literature. So what we can do now? We can again run this. So you can get like another thing. How can print it like a print like this. If you confused, so I want to print like this also. So we have a successfully created a list and where some items. These items are collection of the value in the basket. Am I right? Okay. So like in a real life example, I give you one more example. Okay. How to create a list now. You know this, right? And you know the what is the list, right? I want to open new cell and let's. So why I give you another like we have to create a list to use this, okay, and it inserted the items in the list. Am I right? Create a list to use or create a list to use this symbol, okay, or use square bracket, right? Am I right? Now, so now I'm going to another basket, okay, or like another what I want to, okay, basket, okay, basket, and I put here something different products, okay. What are products here? Like a milk, okay, and then I put here is a bread. You want bread, you are outside, you don't know how to make food, eggs, you want eat eggs, do you eat eggs? Butter, am I right? Am I right? Do you like eggs, butter, whatever, right? So now we know how to create a list, okay? And now we have to print this again. So what was it? I want the same things, okay? So you can see, I will tell you whatever. So here is a basket in the same Okay, in this cell we have a this output. What is output? This. Now here this. Okay, what does it mean? If I print here again basket. Okay, let's see. I tell you why writing this. If I sorry, I want here. I want here. Right. If I print same basket, so what the answer will get here? What output will be? Please tell me. Correct. Why? Because Python is considered this is the close now this one because this is the latest one. So the Python is considered the basket is a new list. Okay. Am I right? Now, what is the benefit here? I teach you the benefits. Okay. The benefits. So benefit. Am I right? Benefits is correct spelling. Okay. So what is the benefit? Easy to store data. What does it mean? I use this one. Okay. Easy to store data. As I told you, how can we easily store data, right? And secondly, easy to access. Easy to access. Okay. And easy to update. Easy to update. Sorry. Easy to delete. Right, and save memory and codes, right, and save memory, right? Am I right? So we can do this easily. Okay, I make sorry this in single quotas. Okay, so this so okay, let's read it. Okay. So we understood what are the benefits, and creating a list is if I tell you we can also create empty list. Okay. So how can we? I can tell you this is a basket. Okay, the basket Okay, we can easily like store the data, whole data in in one basket. Am I right? In one basket and easy to access. What you want access, we can use indexing. Like we can use this like zero. Am I right? Basket zero. Okay, and let's see what is the answer here. We get or not answer, or we can use the print. Okay, let's see print. Okay, print. It should be what? Why is not working? Okay, maybe. Okay, I use a different line. Okay, I don't want to teach you this right now. Okay, but still, basket is correct one. You can see the milk, right? So what is a milk here? We got a milk is a zero index is a milk. We can get easily access here, right? Am I right? What you want update, we can update. I tell you how can we update. So update means we can use like here is instead of the milk, I want a different name. Okay, different product. Okay, so like a basket zero. Okay, and I want here what product I want biscuit. Am I right? And then here print here is a basket only. Let's see what is the answer here. So we can update easily, right? I teach you these things the later, okay? Right? So instead, okay, milk, we get a biscuit. Am I right? We can update. Sorry. Yeah, you can say there is a milk and now there is a, what does it mean here? There is a biscuit instead of the milk because I change. So my mind finally I decide, no, no, I don't want a milk. I have a milk in my fridge. I need a biscuit. So what you have done, you have updated your basket and you put a biscuit instead of the milk, right? So you have done this successfully. And how can we remove it? Okay, I tell you. Actually, this is the part of the letter, but still I tell you. So we can use the del, pop, lot of things here. Okay. So I want removing. Okay, the index. Okay, only I can show the removing. How can we remove it? Okay. So we can remove by the value. Okay, if you use the removing. Okay, like a, I tell you. Import, all right? We move. What do we want to remove? Please tell me what we want. I will mention here. Wait here. I will updating the items item in the list. All right. Here I want uh, removing or deleting the item in the list. Am I right? How can we remove? How can we do this? Let's see. What we have a basket. Basket is a practice spelling, right? And then what we have a use remove. What is a remove? And I want to remove the biscuit. So we have already got this. Let's see. I accept it here. So you can see successfully. So we have already removed it. So I okay decided I want like update. Okay, first. Okay, I want a mail. Okay, I want first. I try. I thought I have to buy the milk. Then I remember. Okay, we have a milk in this in our fridge, and so I need a biscuit. Okay, then suddenly I got a call. No, no, no. You don't need to buy the biscuit. We have also biscuit. You ask your sister, brother, parents, whatever, right? Then they told you, we have also biscuit, we have also milk. So then you decided, no, I don't want to buy, and you will remove this from your list. Okay, and then you have a successfully removed this list. All right. Okay, I have a given. So this is a very easily, and now I told you here. What I mean here is okay. Wait, date, yeah, date. Mentioning the date here. Is today is the 24th June 26. Am I right? Okay, thank you. Now, so we can here easily update, delete, and save memory. Okay, so we can save in a file whatever you want. You can easily save. As I already told you earlier, how can save it now? Okay, so that's you understood. Now I want to create a list, is an empty list. Okay, so actually I explained this. Okay, how can do this, but I want I want create empty list. Empty list. How can create a empty list? Any idea? So like my list. Okay, sorry. List, okay, and then it's like this. Okay, so we have already successfully, and if you run this, okay, my list, what happened? If I want my list, come my list, okay, this is my list, and if I run the code, we got a successfully list. Now, how can we use this? Okay, item. So not now, but I will teach you later. Okay. One more thing, if you want another thing, how can we create a listen through the tuple or parenthesis? Okay. Like my list one. Okay. Am I right? My list one and then list. Sorry, list. Okay. And then use the parenthesis. Okay. And now, what is the answer here? My underscore this is the list one. Let's see if I run this, what is the, so we have successfully created to the list because here it means we are talking about a list. Okay, right? If we make the list and then sorry, because we have mentioned this a list, Python is understanding you're talking about list. So before parenthesis, what we have like a len. So if we write here len, so it's a len, okay, and whatever you want, okay. So we Python understands you are talking about specific thing. Now I want another thing. I want to create a list of number, list of how can we create this number? So how can we create this? Okay, now right? I want a list. Okay, let's see. One, two, three, four, five. Right? And now if I print this num, okay, let's see what is the answer here. So what will be the output? So you can create successfully the num. Why I'm teaching you, otherwise you will be confused. It is easy, but I'm teaching you to be basic. Okay, now I want a list in character. List of character. Am I right? Or string. Yeah, you can write whatever list of character or string, whatever you want. Can we do right? Correct. So first we have to understand how to create it. So we have a this. Okay, this is the what is the mean. This is the mean of the string, right? Okay, am I right? Now, one more important. I want a mixed data type. I want a mixed data type. How can we get a mixed data type? So mixed data type. Am I right? So I use a data, okay, and I want here listed is a Ali, okay, so Ali. What is the age? I make age 20. Then salary, I want a salary 90,000. Okay, and what is the history? What is true, right? Now, if I run this, what is the answer? This is the mix. TR, right? So it is like a this is the Ali. Okay. So we already created is a mixed data type. Now why? So why can a list contain the type? Why do we need to create a mixed data type? So you understand Python lists are designed to store any type of object. Okay, what does it mean here? Create any type of data object in the list, right? Am I right? And secondly, like some programming language, okay, Python doesn't require elements in a list to be of the same data types. Okay, so in a Python, no same data types object is like other language, right? What is my point? So that's why we store. Okay, now I can give the same example. So copy here and open new cell. Okay, and paste here. Right. So if I want to present this, okay, let's see. I run here. Okay, I run here. Okay, now. So what is the mean here? I explain. So suppose this is a value, okay, and data type, okay, the types are meaning. What are meaning? I want. Now, what is the meaning here? It's a Ali. It's a Ali. Okay, am I right? And what is the main data type? String value. String value. And what is the meaning here? It's a meaning. What is the meaning? All right. Then, okay, what we have a second is a 25 or 20 is a age, right? What is the integer value? Integer value, okay, am I right? And then is the age. What is the means? Age, all right? Okay. And then again, what is the salary is a 90,000, right? 90,000. Okay, what is the mean here? Integer. Why I'm telling you this? Okay, and then what is the salary? Am I right? Now, finally, we have a true. Am I right? True. True. Okay. What is a true means? It is a Boolean. Boolean or bool. Okay. What is the mean here? Is active state. Am I right? Why I have given this example with you? Because this is the way. Okay, so it means Ali is a one person. Okay, and whose age is 20, getting 90,000 salary and is a true. Okay, it's active, it's a true. So why I have written this list, because it is a mixed list and it is a particular person, right? So what is a particular person? Is a is a person whose age is 20 and it's getting 90,000 salary, and is a boolean, is a we get the boolean in a true and false, right? So you understand what is the data types. Okay, so what I told you here, create any type of data object in the list, right? Python no need same data types object as like other language. Am I right? I told you this. Am I right? So what is the now I want to check. Okay, I have explained this. What is a data type? Now you want to check the data type. How can you check the data type? Any right. It's a print. I told you is a type. Okay, what a type here is a name, is a data. Okay, am I right? And then what is the is the zero. Am I right? Am I right? Ali. Okay. What is the type here? A string. So wait, I make here this simple way. Type otherwise. I should be some is the string. Sorry. Okay. Mistake. Okay. So type. Okay. Actually, I didn't write. Okay. It's a typing error. Okay. That's error. That's why I get print. Okay. Now you can like this. You can get same answer. Okay, so the class is a string. Okay, because I have a make like a square bracket instead of the parenthesis. That's we were getting the error. Okay, now. So what you want in which how to write it, okay? How is you are comfortable, you can write. I want to write this. Now I want check another. Okay, I give you one example. This and data type is a string. What is string value I want? String is 1 0 1 2 3. Yeah, am I right? 0 1 2 3. It's a boolean. Wait a